Hi, I'm Jimmy. I'm the fabrication manager, and I'm here to tell you all about being a fabricator for modern automotive performance. Today, we are going to take a tour of important places in the shop, review rules and guidelines at MAP, and take a closer look at machines and how to safely use them. Let's start by finding all the materials you'll need to fabricate awesome MAP products. These are tubing and piping that you will need for your projects. They are located in the shop. Oh look, another rack. Here we have pre-bent parts. Over here we have more pre-bent parts. If you can't find what you need here, go see James. James is the shipping manager and manages inventory as well. Oh, James, where is Jimmy? I need to ask him a question. There he is. Let's review the rules of the shop. These tips and tricks will help you stay productive and out of trouble. No Max. Keep your workstation clean and organized at all times, even while you work. It helps increase productivity and decrease frustration. Pick it up. Keep it clean. This is an introduction to being on the fabrication team at MAP. Thanks for watching. No fabricators were hurt in the making of this video, and we do not condone hitting our employees. HR made me say this.